Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how the billing automation works. So we're going to go to billings, and this is on a horse by horse basis. So I created a dummy billing here for September for this horse Sweet Sensation. As you can see, the total bill is $1,992. We're going to skip the other stages for now. We're just going to go right to build. And what's going to happen is the automation is going to delete this original bill and create a bill for each of the billing parties of this horse based on their percentage. So if we go back into billings, you can see two bills were created for the two accounts. And if we go into this one here, you'll see that this billing party has 70%, or is responsible for 70%. It could be the owner, it could be the trainer. It does show the original total. And then what will happen is, if we go back into billings and we update this to invoiced, now it'll send the information over to the accounting system, and it'll create the actual invoices in accounting that can be sent to the clients. So here, if you go in, has the horse, the original total, the percentage that they're responsible for, and the total. It'll also break it down on an item per item basis. It'll break down the unit price based on their percentage as well. So that's how the billing automation works. Feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to us directly if you have any questions. Thanks.